Hello, good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. Today is Friday, April 26. This is a good opportunity here to the upside. Based just on what happened here yesterday, volume here, and the action and reaction to the extremely long inventory from couple days ago, and short inventory from the day that followed. Now, again, we have a long inventory, and try to get in the mind. I'm trying to get in the mind of traders here. You know what they might be expecting, right? Another break, right? We have another gap. Okay, two times the gaps was closed. Now it's going to be closed again. Just that, okay? Basic just in those things, okay? And we have a very prominent overnight POC. Prominent POC have a tendency to attract markets. There was a counteraction, or an attempted counteraction to this overnight inventory as failed, and this was a good opportunity to buy here. All right. Now, monitoring for the upside continuation, we have POC, and most important thing, okay, I believe right now the trade to the upside has been completed in the medium time frame. Okay. Coming from yesterday, we have a day yesterday that check the upper side of the 6-day range, 6 or 8 day range, and now, yesterday it was kind of like a got to the opposite side of the range, right? And now we have another movement, this time to the upside, to this high, this 6-day range. That trade has been, that high has been reached. That's why I say this trade has been completed. Okay, so balance guidelines apply now here. You got one that checked this low. It didn't get, it doesn't have to come all the way down to here. Now we have another one, right now has been completed. Okay, so balance guidelines for the medium time frame, for the daily time frame, gap guidelines for the intraday time frame. All right, so be careful here. That was the thing. That was the only thing that I got today. Also, I say I was going to be that focused. I didn't have the ability. I got too many things to do this week. Maybe even into the beginning of the next week as well. And my focus was not 100% in the market. Now, let's go back a little bit. Let's zoom out a little bit. What do we have right now? Okay, we have a gap. A lot of things can happen when we have a gap. And actually, we have a really significant gap before the opening due to Google and Microsoft earnings. Now, downside gaps are different than upside gaps. So, but what about the gap we had before? All right. Upside gaps are have a tendency as well. It doesn't matter what time frames, what kind of trends we are having. Upside movements have a tendency to hold a little bit more. Nasdaq now is buying from the 100. That market that yesterday both markets. Yes, the ES was that one before yesterday. It was the Dow, which had very very systematic buying and selling. Right, you can see the levels to which the technical trading going on there. That happened yesterday in the ES. All right, there is some, now we are having some quiet time here. Buying is coming kind of like a very close from the opening. These gray lines here, these were weak references from this day. This one and this one, for example. Huh? These ones have been clear, have been repaired, so we don't have no more in there. That one and this one here. From yesterday, I don't have nothing from yesterday. The main thing from yesterday is, or the only thing that can be used as a reference, right? And actually, I forgot about this. This is very important because the market didn't close yesterday. We were talking about the ability of the market to closing the distributions, but the market didn't. The market didn't close. It closed the upper side. It closes up here, right below this. Right below this range. Value. Check this out. Value. I didn't check value yesterday, but notice how it's lower. Very subtle, right? Now, what do we have in the upper side? The same kind of formation that we have here a couple of days ago, 1, 2, 3 highs. We have something similar right now, but in the daily time frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, or you can call it 5 in this high. Okay, no? 5 here plus an intraday week high here. Yesterday, the market, or a couple of days ago, the market had 2 inside this distribution. You know, this is very important to me because is what happened here. This is what is separating the upper distribution, the 16-day range that we have in the upper side from the how much here? 3, 6, 8, from the 8-day range that we have below. Okay, I am using this, right? I am using this range here. We have a range here, high and low. Okay, market is moving from one end to the other. Notice how it dries here, how the volume just dries here. No, it's impressive. There is no pressure coming from the bond market today. The market is yesterday we have a long liquidation. We have liquidation in both markets, and today there is some sort of rally that may happen, but so far it's inside previous day range. Right? That's just removing the pressure from the ES. Now, what I want to see is if today this market can, take those high, take today's high. Just look at where that high is, right? It's very close to overnight POC. It hasn't take POC, right? It hasn't. That's the first level in the upper side to monitor for continuation, and it hasn't taken. Which is basically also very close to that. We have the high of the 8-day range, and above that there is nothing. And last, now let's check. I would consider this market negative now. Um, Negative. Let me see why. Because of last. Last is very. Look where shadow is and check where last is. I have tried a long, one long in Nasdaq and one long in the, yes, I am flat now. It is holding, oh, man. Oh, I think I think this is one of those situations when it is a little bit better to be a little bit late and too early. I consider what the market is dealing with now is the high of that range. Now it's getting out, it's getting above that range now. Okay, this can be good location. We can have location here. No. I don't want the market to come back inside. It looks like we're going to have better volume than yesterday. First time these levels usually are sold. This is the second time Marcus coming to this area. Let's see if the market can take this high now. Now, regarding the spike we have in the overnight, we have this spike to the upside, but the market opened. Notice where the market opened, just below the spike here. The spike just below the spike. This is not good for this market. That's a short. That's negative, at least in the short term. Okay, I had that in the back. I had that in the background. Now, it's today's end of the week. Next week we have the end of the month options. The end of the month are or is Tuesday. It's kind of like a weird closing, right? Tuesday. And next week we have non-farm payrolls on Friday, and we also have interest rate decision on Wednesday. And the most important thing, Chairman Powell press conference at 2:30 p.m. What I think Nvidia, I don't know when Nvidia's reporting. I think they used to be like three, but it was before like 3 or 4 weeks apart from big tech. I believe Apple. We have Apple somewhere during next week. Thank you, Boba. No, thank you. All right. Now, We are going from one gap, market gapping higher, to market gapping lower, to market gapping higher. So that tells you, that this is a very emotional market we have here. Um, it's not unusual, right? For the way how the market has been traded the past year, doesn't, and particularly this one, this contract now. The June contract has been very technical, very technical. Lots of technical trading going on here. Quite different from the March. Now, yesterday's rally is having upside continuation. Okay. This can be, I wonder what the market can do relative to this high here. My market has no conviction, man. It really lacks conviction here. And also, Nasdaq was sold and bought from the 100. Which is not a good sign, really. And we have the 5100 in the ES too. No? Can you see what's happening here? Market is coming back to check uh, the low of the range, to check this low here. Did you see that? And I thought it was going to be, we were going to have higher volume than yesterday. It was paced to do that, but we didn't. We will not. Boy, I'm tired here. Another thing I was so tired yesterday. Um, Again, one of my rules is don't trade if you're tired. And I went back to sleep after I did what I had to do early, and I missed the release. Okay, let's check how much. What was the number? Core PCE year over year actually 2.82. Forecast, wow, forecast 2.7. Huh. Actually, it was higher than expected. It is higher. Oh boy. And what the market did? The market rally? Really? No way. Don't tell me it did rally. Yeah? Yeah, the market had a big. Man, this is not good. No, the long is very questionable here. Very, very questionable, very dangerous here. Eh? So it was yesterday, but regardless, the market just keep going high. All right, all right. Consumer sentiment is another number. Market has checked back inside this range. Let's see if this high is taken or we have some penetration back in here. The market is struggling here to the upper side. This market has no conviction, man. It is. I have made a couple trades yearly. It is a hard one. Okay, it is a hard one. This market has no conviction. Okay, it has direction. The trade is to the upside, right? The market is to the upside. Here you have a gap, very questionable. Let's see if the spike is taken here. Very hard market today. Because based on the information the market is generating here, you know, these are positive signs, right? The gap has not been closed. The market is having an upside breakout from the 8-day range. There's nothing above that can offer some kind of support. Now we have a non-excess high right now. Okay, sometimes non-excess highs, we can have those kind of highs when markets get too low. And I believe these markets, I mean the ES and Nasdaq, are in these key areas. Key areas here, really, in this area. Okay, and this one, Nasdaq. I wouldn't have liked to short it because the movement's to the upside, right? But the way how it's happening, it's just like yesterday. But yesterday inventory was very short. Okay. Alright, high has been corrected. We have last has been taken. Every single reference on the upper side. The market is having continued. Every single reference has been taken. Okay. Now, next thing, overnight high. check that PCE. No, based it on the spike, I thought that was a lower number. It wasn't. It was actually high. One of the things we have to do when trading is to, it can be risky too, we have to identify what kind of day we are having. What kind is this a trending day? It is a rotational day? Does it have conviction if it's a trending? What kind of day? It's a counteraction day. That's one of the things that we have to identify, the type of day that we are having. It's the second time it's coming to this one. It was bought from this high before, now it's being bought again. It's checking this level here twice. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's gonna be an opportunity to entry, but it's becoming risky to me. I just don't like it. I don't feel this market. I'm not saying that the market cannot come back all the way up to here, close these distributions here, and maybe find some sort of, this can be key as well, this one. Let's see, the market can close this distribution. What do we have before this? What do we have before this reference, for example? 16-day range low. This is a wider range here. Okay. What is the trade here? Okay, the trade to the upside, right? Just imagine have to look at what's happening. Have to look at the charts. The charts are going high. Market is going high. So where or what can be the potential destination, or where can be this market be? Where can this market be? Going to, right? Towards what, right? That's what I'm glad to see here. Did you see this movement? This movement took the market back inside this range, back inside this range, but not back in here. Just like yesterday. Yeah? Yesterday it took the market 4 or 5 periods. Now, who cares, right? We know what the market is going to do. Let's go long now. One opportunity here, right? Was the failed counteraction. I just don't like this market, man. I don't feel like I want to be part of this. I don't. Okay, this is what we have next week. Fed press conference and non-farm payrolls. That's one. Regarding earnings, Apple May 1st, Wednesday. Next Wednesday, we have Google Hill, gigantic gap here. What happened with Amazon? Oh, I have this gap here. Oh no, Microsoft. Oh no, we had Microsoft, right? Yesterday, Microsoft and Google. We have Amazon today. Oh no, Amazon is Monday. Yesterday we have Google and Microsoft. I thought it was Amazon. My bad. Alright, and Nvidia is conference call May 20th, way down the road. Well, we don't have nothing else. Okay. No pressure today, but notice, check where this market is, right? Really close to this low here. Man, this range can have some really resolution to the downside or to the upside here. The Dow inside the range, right as it's 100. Buying from the 100 in Nasdaq, but look at these highs, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 highs. Good odds that these highs have been taken, and March low is right there as well. And the ES seems like this can be a trend, right? Just look at this, 1, 2, 3, can it be? No? I'm breaking out this range. Let's see if it has penetration on this range up here. Now again, 100 right there in the Russell as well. I don't feel it really. I mean, all pieces of information are to the upside, but the way how this market is doing it, what it's doing, that is what I don't like. Okay. It's keeping the volume from yesterday. Now we are very close to that overnight high. Nasdaq has taken this over. The first taking its overnight was the Dow. Nasdaq was the next, but ES still hasn't. Now, emotions running high here. FOMO getting to traders. That will be, that will be another sign, right? It will be this market forming a distribution right now. Like just, trading and not taking previous, or not taking a high. I mean C, right? I just don't like this market, man. I don't. I can see everything is going to the upside. Everything pointing to the upside, but no, it's just no. It's a no to me. We may have another. How many points we have so far? 80, 30, like 50 points, right? 50 points. The market has line around 50 points now. Relative to yesterday. The trades to the outside. I'm not thinking to take any short here. So, I mean, why, right? All market generated information is to the upside. Why? It's just because the trade, if you want to do something here, the trade is to the upside. Okay, now the next thing. Let's find location, right? Let's find location. If I see an opportunity, the first one was a counteraction, the attempt, the counteraction to overnight inventory. It happened, there was a counteraction, most of the value or the volume from the overnight has been removed. The market tried to inside the single prints from yesterday. It was bought very close to the 5100, which is kind of very questionable as well. Okay, and then we have that was an opportunity. After that, the market stalled at the high of at the 8-day range. Came back, was bought from that exact level reference. The next time it came back and was bought again. Right? Kind of like an opportunity to go long there. In similar fashion to yesterday, using different things. Right? Yesterday inventory was short, very very short, and you have a lot of supply there. But and today is the market. This market is doing the same. It's trading in the same way as yesterday. Okay, same way as yesterday. But we don't have that short-term support that the short inventory can bring. Right? We don't have that. We have long inventory actually. It's quite the opposite. We have long inventory. I'm trying to get into the mind. Inside the mind of traders, they were trying to short the market because they saw the market breaking and rally. The second market rally and breaking, and today is going to be act like the same. I'm just trying to get in the mind. That's what I was trying to do. Now, looking to the upside, this can be one potential. The first thing can be this closing the ranges, which kind of like a change things, right? The other one, if this one is taken, can be this closing or this distribution here. Oh, actually, no. This day has 3 distributions. 1, 2, 3 here. Huh. Very low, man. Really bad day. I mean, I don't want a big part of this. I really don't. Okay. It is 10:20. I know I was late today, but I don't have much to say about this market. Um, Again, I'm not that focused. I am thinking on the things I need to do now. I will pay attention to those. I will try to deal with those things and come back later today. Alright? I thought I can help more, but the only thing that I can say is I don't like this model. And this is, take whatever I say with a grain of salt, with a huge grain of salt. Right? This is a personal opinion, right? And you, as a trader, also need to have a personal opinion. Right? There's nothing wrong with being wrong or right. The thing is that you are the one who is going to be wrong or right, no somebody else, and you can adjust. You can make an adjustment based on your behavior, based in your observations. Okay. All right. Well, guys, hope you have a wonderful day. See you next week. Oh, have a great weekend. Bye bye.